Welcome to Archie's first treat tournament. The first matchup is ham versus pepperoni. Who will win? Here's ham, here's pepperoni. Here's Archie, of course. He's excited. And he will choose the ham. Ham will move on to the final round. Pepperoni is now in the loser's bracket, but still has a chance to come in third. But wait. A challenger has appeared. Their name is Kibble. Gotta write this new little part of this bracket now for him. Sorry I messed up on that B. Here's his cheese. And here's his dental chew. Let's see which one he likes better. He had ended up, the video cut before that, but he ended up liking the dental chew better. Let's see which one he likes better, kibble or ham. It ended up he liked ham more than kibble. Now, cheese and kibble's both in the loser's bracket. But he likes the pepperoni a bit more than the cheese, apparently. Now, let's see which one he likes better, kibble or pepperoni. I was thinking he would have taken the kibble. Huh. But apparently he likes pepperoni better. Cheese or... what is that? Kibble? Definitely loves cheese better than kibble, that's for sure. Pepperoni placed third so far. Ham versus... oh boy, this is the main event. Versus dental chews. Let's see which one he likes better. Oh, definitely ham. Number 1 ham, number 2 dental chews, number 3 pepperoni, number 4 cheese, and number 5 kibble.